If you're encountering Matchmaking Error 2026 in Overwatch 2, follow these simple steps to help resolve the issue and get back into the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game servers and may resolve temporary issues causing the error. Step 3. Reset your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can help clear any network issues that might be affecting your connection to the game. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that Overwatch 2 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game launcher and install them, as updates often contain fixes for known issues. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Blizzard's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2026 and enjoy your gaming experience. Good luck!